Today we are going to talk about if you have a factory making demolition hammers, how you enter international market, especially African mining industries and other countries. Entering the international market, particularly targeting African mining industries and other countries, with the factory manufacturing demolition hammers involve a focused and strategic approach. Here are some steps you can consider. First, market research. Understand African markets. Conduct thorough research on the specific countries with Africa and other target countries. Consider factors such as mining industry size, growth, regulations and demand for demolition equipment. B. Identify local needs. Understand the unique requirements and challenge of the African mining industry. This includes considering factors like geological conditions, safety standard, and specific application for demolition hammer. 2. Regulatory compliance. A. Meeting local standards. Ensure that your demolition hammers comply with the local safety and quality standard prevalent in the target markets. Familiarize yourself with the specific regulations governing the importation and use of industrial equipment. 3. Establish local partnership. A and B. A. Distributor relationships. Seek a partnership with reputable distributors or dealers in the target countries. These partners can navigate local business practices, establish a presence, and provide support to end users. B. Collaborate with industry players. Establish connections with the key players in the African mining industry, including mining companies, contractors, and other stakeholders. 4. Participate in industry events. A. Attend mining exhibitions, which means participate in international and local mining exhibitions or trade shows in Africa. These events provide an excellent platform to showcase your demolition hammers, connect with the partial clients, and gain insights into market needs. 5. Customization for local conditions. A and B. A. Adapt to environmental factors. Consider adapting your demolition hammers to suit the specific environmental conditions of the target market, such as higher temperatures, dust, and challenging terrains. B. Training and support. Provide a training program and support services to end user to ensure optimal use and maintenance of your products in local conditions. 6. Online presence and marketing. A and B. A. Localized online presence. Develop a localized and professional online presence, including the website and social media, to reach a wider audience in the target countries. B. Digital marketing. Utilize digital marketing strategies such as targeted online advertising to create awareness and generate lead with the African mining industries. 7. After-sales service and support. A and B. A. Responsive customer support, which means Establish a responsive customer support system to address inquiries, provide technical assistance, and handle after-sales service efficiently. B. Warranty and spare parts. Clearly communicate warranty terms and ensure the availability of spare parts to support ongoing maintenance and repairs. 8. A and B. Logistic and supply chains, which means efficient logistics. Develop a robust and efficient logistics strategy to ensure the timely delivery of your demolition hammer to the target market. B. Local warehousing. Explore option for local warehousing for distribution center of streamlined product availability. 9. Networking and relationship building. Join with the local Chamber of Commerce, business associations, and industry groups